Hello, Zippo lovers. Today I'm just going to show you a few. I have hundreds in my collection, but I'm going to show you a few of the ones that I'm kind of proud of. Yeah, the first one I'm going to show you is a Budweiser from 1999, and let's see, 27. Okay. Yeah, so this Budweiser Zippo, see it right there, shiny chrome, isn't that nice? Now this is factory sealed, so this has never been fired, it's never been opened. Budweiser Clydesdales. Now the reason I like this lighter, on the bottom, it's LXV, and that's 1999. So that's the end of the century, and this is a Clydesdale polished chrome to commemorate 1999 and Budweiser beer, one of my favorite beers. So that's a beautiful lighter. I love that lighter. And I have the Zippo case, metal Zippo case. This is stock number Z27. My stock numbers go up to 900 and something. So yeah, got the case, and I keep it in this display case. I used to have that one filled. Now here's another one that I like, Harley Davidson. Now this one here, stock number Z21, 1997, so it's XII on the bottom. You see that? XII, a D off to the left. Beautiful lighter. It's been fired, it's been used. Very clean though, very clean. Sparks. So that's a beauty. That's got the Harley Davidson on the side, and it's got the American Eagle and the Harley Davidson logo. And that's polished chrome. How nice is that? 1997. So I put that back in its place. Here's a good one. Beatles. The Beatles. And it's the drum. Down at the bottom it says 2002 Apple Corporation Limited Beatles production. This was a limited Beatles production. Z18, stock number Z18. You can find these on my eBay store, Christos G510, CHRISTOS 510, no, CHRISTOS G510, and it says Army, Navy, Marines, because it also has, but that's a beautiful lighter. And that's from 2002, limited edition, 2002, stock number Z18, as the original Zippo case with the Zippo trademark. So I put that back. And here is the Millennium Ford Motor Company. It's now on the bottom of this, it actually says, whoops, I got it upside down. It actually says 2000, and then under the 2000 is the doggone it, XVI. So this is the Millennium X 2000 Look at that. It's never been fired. Did you see that spark? Doesn't have the factory seal, but it has everything else. Ford Motor Company. And 09, let's see, 09. Yep. It has the Zippo felt insert case to take it home in. Ford. You know what we used to say about Ford? Found dead on the road. There you go. Okay. Yep. Okay, what else we got? Oh, here's a Zippo lighter that you see quite often. It's the Venetian design. Has the panel there where you can have your initials or name put in. Polished chrome on the edges. Venetian sign on the back. Now, this has the factory seal, but it also has this barcode. Well, why is that? Well, this Venetian design, number Z13, which on the bottom, it's David, V as in Victor, I, 1992. It's a used lighter, but it's gone to the Zippo factory in Bradford, Pennsylvania, and it's been new insert. They double check the hinge and they reseal it. Zippos, they're guaranteed for life. Who guarantees something for life besides Zippo? I couldn't answer that question. Okay. So that's Z13. Now just to show you another example, here's Roadway. This is from 1973. 1973. 57 years ago. Is that right? 47 years ago. No? 57 years ago. 27. No, I'm sorry. 47 years ago. Let's get that straight. Stock number Z12, Roadway. So on the bottom of this Roadway, Z12, as I look at the bottom, yeah. I have to go to the chart. If you collect Zippos, you got to carry the chart everywhere you go. Get that chart. It's got so much information on one little size of a business card, laminated. You know, you can write to the people there at Bradford, Pennsylvania, the Zippo company, and ask them, hey, could you please send me, I'd love the Zippo lighters, please send me one of the business side card guides. It's called the Pocket Date Code Guide. Zippo regular lighter identification codes on the front and the slims on the back up till 1965. So, gotta have this, okay. So, like I was talking about the Roadway, go back, 2 dots. Bottom is beat up a little bit. Makes it a little hard to read. So if I had to guess, I would say that lighter is either 61 or 62. 61 or 62. 2 dots to the right, 1 dot to the left. 1961 or 62. Roadway, big trucking company. This has been sent off to the factory, rebuilt, hinge, everything, other than the patina, you know, a little patina. Other than a patina, this thing is in great shape. because it's been refurbished at the Zippo factory by Zippo technicians. Okay, so what else we got here? I think I got one over here. I collect a lot of military. This has been fired. It's like new. Sparks. And stock number Z17. And it comes with the plastic case, no cover. Delta 16 on the bottom. So when we got into the 2000s, 2001, moving forward, it just has the year on the right. So this says 16, 2016. Beautiful lighter, United States Navy. It's on eBay. Christos G 510. Army, Navy, military, Zippo lighters. And you go to a Facebook page too. You can go to Zippo World on Facebook, and we're there. Yeah. Okay. So, oh, I got one more up here in the corner. Oh, 1999, kind of a plain Jane. Classic, this is the classic Zippo lighter. Classic brushed Zippo lighter. It's been sent to the factory and refurbished. Stock number Z02. Z02. And I'll put that back. So that's just 8 out of like 600 Zippo lighters. I just thought I'd share that with you today. And you know, there's a lot of printed material that you can obtain on the internet explaining how Zippo has come along from this document here is from 1942 forward. We do know that they started in 1932 making Zippo lighters for the military because they wanted them, the wind wouldn't blow them out. So here's a nice handy chart so you can look at the inserts and determine, is the insert the correct year for the case? A nice website that I've come across recently is called The Passionate Wick. And on The Passionate Wick, you can see, and it looks a lot better on your computer, the actual bottoms of Zippo lighters, actual photographs of Zippo lighters stacked up in color. This is really nice. One of the nicest things that I've come across. The Passionate Wick. They're passionate about Zippos, and you can ask them questions. Here's another nice guide, blown up inserts, all the way from 1932 to the year 2000. I laminated that, so I use this a lot. So here's another representation of the bottoms, but not actual photographs, just illustrations. And this is actually the front of a Zippo lighter. You can see the 3295 up there in the corner, but I copied this and printed it out because it tells you what the different parts are. Cam spring, cam rivet, inside case, flint wheel rivet, and tube insert, rayon balls, so that's a good, when you're sending a lighter off the Zippo, you want to have the correct. So I'll show you you know, you can call Zippo and you can find out how you can get an order form, which I can't find. Ay, ay, ay. Hang on. The repair clinic. Oh, I guess I don't have a blank to show you right now. You know, this is typically what it looks like when I send a repair off. I try to describe it, put the year, put the problem with it, the subject matter, you know, loose hinge, broken hinge, and send it off to the Zippo Repair, 1932 Zippo Drive. 1932 Zippo Drive. Bradford, Pennsylvania, 16701, 1514. And basically, you know, maybe you can make up your own, but the repair form has to have your name, address, phone number, email, cell phone number, email address, and then you have to number the lighter. You know, I usually wrap it. I'll take like a half sheet of paper. I'll wrap that Zippo lighter up there and tape it, and I'll put number 1. So it corresponds with number 1 here. So, you know, this is, I just got, and then you'll get an email. You'll get an email from Zippo saying that they've got your, they got your lighters, and see if I can show you an example of that. But they got your lighters, and they give it a stock number, and they start the repair. And a few days, once you get that email that they received your lighters, you're going to they're going to show up in the mail. Zippo, Zippo, Zippo. Can't find it. I just got an email from them a couple days ago, and they show the list with of stock numbers that they assigned to each lighter, and you know that they got them. So, you know, Zippo lighters, guaranteed for life, right there. Excuse me, guaranteed for life. And they're not working, you can send them in. They'll come back in excellent working condition. And if you don't want, you know, if you're a collector, gonna put them in a case. So stay tuned. Let everybody know about Zippo World on YouTube and Facebook. So thanks for tuning in. This is Mr. Zippo. I bet you that looks backwards. Yep, Mr. Zippo right here on Zippo World.